Good morning, dear students. Let's start the second part of the first chapter exercise. Write short notes on the following. First, TCP IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP stands for Internet Protocol. What is the IP? IP is a unique numeric address of each network and the computer system, and the TCP that breaks the information into the small packets when the TCP corresponding that transfer the information to one to the another computer, and the TCP transmission control protocol assemble the packets into the complete information. That's known as the TCP and IP protocols. And next one is the HTTP. The HTTP stands for the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. That's also known as the World Wide Web, WWW. The documents that passed from server to the clients are in the HTTP format, like HTTP, like this. And the third one is URL. URL stands for the Uniform Resource Locator, and it is a universal address of the document and the other sources that are available on the World Wide Web, WWW. And next one is the domain name. The domain name is the address where internet users can access your website, and it's used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. Like we identified, identity is Aadhaar card, PAN card, that's, and the domain name, the computers have the same identity that identified by the domain. Next one is the virus and antivirus. Firstly, what is virus? Viruses are designed to infect and take control of your computer. Once your computer has been infected, it can be capture all data, steal your documents, and the virus also known as the bombs, trojans, and the spyware. And the antivirus software is designed to protect your computer against the virus, and it is available as the standalone product and is included in most security software packages. And fifth is antivirus tips. Here the 8 tips on how to prevent malware from infecting your computer and keep your hardware safe from the virus worms. The first is don't assume you are not at risk. Download only from the trusted sources. The antivirus software keep your software current, means update your software. Don't delay updates. If you get the notification to update the antivirus software, don't delay it. Next, scan additional devices like your attached USB as well as the pen drive in your computer, then scan it. Next, track warning and alerts. Also check the track warnings and the alerts that given to in the form of notification. And next, don't disable the software. Don't disable the software means don't delete any software. Install one program only in the one time. Next, latest trends in computer technology. What are the latest trends that are going on in the computer technology? First, more powerful, intelligent learning and productivity device, the computers, and the manage essential goals of global system like the transportation, food production, and the games like on. Now, next, computer will become voice activated, network, video enabled, and connected together over the net, links with each other from any place. The next one is computer will have digital sense, speech, sight, smell, hearing, enabling them to communicate with human and the other machines. First, what is the future technology that coming in the computer? The computers are deciding which products to stock on shelves, perform legal discovery. They will soon be driving our cars and making medical products. The 5 trends like no touch interfaces, native content, massively online, the web of things, consumer driven, supercomputing. So this is the end of your revision A and B part. I also sent the video of the CTE parts in last week. Hope you understand, and now attempt the self-assessment test which I given to you and submit me before 2 p.m. Thank you. Have a nice day. Follow the instructions. Take care.